welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn ABCD. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching and subscribe.